My name is Kenny Hawk. I'm the owner of Hawk Designs. We've been building hot rods, off-road vehicles for the last 15 years and absolutely love what I do. I started my shop in my parents' garage and absolutely honored to have the opportunity to build some really crazy over-the-top vehicles for some really exciting companies. So my favorite build to date has to be the beer tanker. Absolutely a blast to build, had a ton of fun with my guys. It's been something I've been wanting to build for a long time and I'm just waiting for the right opportunity. And we found this amazing 46 Chevy COE, an old 3,000 gallon diesel tank. We combine those together with 14 kegs of beer and you get this rolling party wagon. So it's amazing, it's all on air ride. It's got a crazy patina finish, tons of cool details, amazing engraving from my buddy Hernan, copper plated parts. The more you look at it, the more you see. I know this sounds cliche. You want to know what the best gift that I've ever received, and I swear to you, my Miller welder from my dad was an amazing gift. It really kind of set the tone for me starting this whole business. I don't know if without that, I don't know where I'd be today. So I know my dad gave me the gift of teaching me how to build things with my hands, how to work hard, and how to weld. Tape measure, because without a tape measure, you can't keep things consistent and keep things square and straight. A framing square to keep everything on line and on point and drawing things out on metal, and my Miller welder. Right there, that alone, man, you can go places. Designing really weird vehicles, I think I could win that. I really do. You know, if there's I don't know what you would even call that category, but like building an attention-getting vehicle, yeah, I think I could win the gold in that. I think I'd go for it. I'd give it a good shot. One place that's on our bucket list is Germany. We're dying to go out there and drive on the Nürburgring Ring. We've had an invitation from one of our sponsors to go out there and race some cars on that. That's definitely high on my list.